that needs to be cut. My neighbor actually has been cutting them for me. He's been paying back for the times I cut his. You know, now he has got an operation done, so I want to return the favor for him. So, but I don't know if it needs to be done because I've been able to be outside. And then I want to go out to the front yard and I want to scrape down the side driveway and get that back to gravel instead of weeds. Well, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Josh had a fun time helping out, getting things ready to mow the grass, which probably doesn't need to be done. We got out there and looked and it's been so hot that it hasn't grown. We have had some rain, so I don't know. Maybe next couple days they'll need it. But we did get the side driveway scraped, and we still got a few other things I want to get done. Sorry about my voice. I've been fighting cold and stuff. Anyways, hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up is super cool. You too can be super cool if you give us one. Do you know what else is super cool?
Subscriptions.
That's right, Josh. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you have, thank you very much. It is great.